Business Insight is an easy to use high-level view of your organisation. There are various parts to the dashboard. There's a two-level structure, so the first screen is the top level of information and then you can drill down. You're able to filter by date and time, extension, level, campaign, call type and restriction. Once you've applied the filters, in the top left you can see the incoming call distribution, and you can change this for one of 3 different options. Then you can see your busiest and quietest times of day. On the right you're able to see the percentage of calls you've answered. The next 2 sections in the middle show some quick drill downs for information. On the left is quick reports with a description of each report, and on the right observations. Both you're able to drill down on. I'll click on a report and it will bring up all of the underlying data below. You also have a full selection of filters here, and you can output the data in a PDF, CSV and email. You can use the information to create a live tile, save it to favourites or schedule it to run on a regular basis. There are 3 sections to this: a summary, detail and then the graph at the bottom. The same happens with the observations. You're able to click on them and drill down to the information below. Very simple and very easy. The next section is DDIs, so you can see all of your DDIs and understand how well you're performing on each one. User summary at the bottom allows you to drill down onto individual people and see everything that they've been doing, and again a simple click takes you to the underlying data.